So, hello students. The students from first year and also all my dear friends and respected teachers who are present in this. Just wait for 2 minutes. As all are coming, please just make sure that everyone is in the meet. So, yeah, I am starting now. Hi, I am Priyansh Gupta. I am in BTech second year and I am an internship student. As I am representing it, IPS. So the ISP program is just for all of the students who are going to have some of the internships. Today I am hosting a seminar to tell you all about how to land your dreams internships through Internshala. So let's get started. Okay, so students, all can see my screens. Yeah, just write in the comment section. Okay, I got it. So the reason why we have such a low employment rate is due to the lack of first is soft skills. A lot of students lack bad communication skills. Lack of professionalism is a second factor. Students lack work ethics. Third factor is lack of technical skills. Sometimes it becomes difficult to secure an internship because students do not have the required technical skills. And when they want to learn these skills, they find it difficult to join a training center because of their college studies. Plus, we don't have a lot of money, isn't it? I have a question here. Do you want to be a part of the 7% of students who are employable or be a part of the majority? The first one is right. I think so. So let's go behind Intentionala. What is Intentionala? I think many of you know it. But most of you who doesn't know it, I'm going to tell you about it. Internshala is the world's #1 internship and training platform. At present, there are 4 million students look for internships or Internshala offered by more than 80,000 employers. In 100 plus profiles like engineering, marketing, finance, human resources, content writing, and graphic designs, and many more. So you have to know that how does this internship work? There are three simple steps. Register for free, create an account as a student and verify it. Second step is complete your profile. After verifying your email account, you need to complete your profile by finalizing your resume and filing in your internship profile preferences. After that, you will be asked to fill in your availability in terms of the dates from which you are available to intern from until when. Third step is apply and get hired. You have to be simply apply for the internship in which you are seeing interest in that and get hired. After completing your profile, you can continue with applying for internship on internship that matches your profile and availability. Before we move on to our next slide, I want to ask you all how many of you applied for an internship but didn't get selected? I think you have to write in the comment section. Yeah, I am having one phone in which I am seeing your all comments there. So yeah, Ritik. So you have hired in one. Okay. So you have hired in one and you didn't get the stipend. You will absolutely get it, Ritik. Just complete your internship program and after that you will get a certification and the stipend if there's. So yeah, you will get. Also, most of you all are writing that you didn't get hired because company didn't select it. Yes, because of lack of knowledge or because there's a lack in your resume. You are not writing a appropriate resume. I will show you how to lack, how to make the resume impressible, and how companies take the students by seeing the resume only. So next slide, we are going to see how to land an internship through Internshala. Okay, to land an internship through Internshala, you must take care of two things. First is resume building. Okay, so like you are seeing on the screen, there are many of the internships. Like I've applied for the graphic designs. So this platform is showing me graphic. If anyone is, if anyone is interested in the teaching, then that's one graphic design teaching. In which subject you are going to teach? My profession is in graphic design. So yeah, like teaching Python. Many of you are from teaching background. If any of the teacher wants that you know the Python, then you can try this. So many of it. Okay, so I should take one from teaching Python. Okay, guys. So let's get into it. Okay. So teaching Python work from home job internship at EZlog. So EZlog is providing as a teaching Python internship. So how to get into this? Firstly, you are looking for the internship you want. Like I want teaching Python. Okay, that's work from home. Start date is immediately. They want immediate response from you. Duration 6 months. It will take up to 6 months. This internship. Okay, now stipend you will get after completing the full internship is 8,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. Okay, 8,000 12,000 per month is a good amount. So they have also shown like apply by 12th August 2020. So yeah, deadline is so far, but it seems to be so all about it is EasyLogs. EasyLog is a USA-based electronics startup which is also being established in Mumbai. EasyLog manufactures, sells smart electronics locks such as fingerprint locks, RFID locks, number locks, smart deadbolts, etc. We also provide all type of recreational and educational activities. Currently, we provide robotics workshops under the company Robotron for school children. So you are getting the information about the EZlog so that you can build up the resume and you can apply for that. Studying skills, brain power development, workshop for kids and dance, music, classes for all age groups with different forms of dances. Zumba, fitnesses, photo shoot under the company's ash, etc. About the work from home job internship, select interns day to day. Responsibilities include attend to learning sessions for Python, machine learning, and robotics. Teach robotics to the students to the centers. Conduct robotics and other completions. So many of the competitions for students are there. Hand students to raise in classroom, meet various schools and conduct workshops. So skills required is teaching. Only they also told who can apply. Only those students can apply who are available for work from home job internship. Can start a work from home internship between 15 to 19 hours. Are available duration of 6 months. Have relevant skills and interest, etc. So they will give the certificate letter of recommendation flags your work hours. Additional information candidates should be local or willing to relocate to Mumbai. Okay. Number of openings is one. So like now we are clicking on apply now. Okay. So I've just clicked on the apply now. So it's taking some time. So there you have to make a resume. Okay. So resume. This will tell you that what resume you have made. Like resume, my name Priyansh Gupta, my email address, my phone number, where did I live, Ghaziabad, education, that what I'm doing, and pursued the BTech, CGPA 7.22, about your CGPA, all the informations you can give in jobs I didn't get, I am a student only. So internships, internships I've done in CAD design, ABSIT, virtual. So positions of responsibility, project leader in Arduino Uno projects, and currently working on ARM making using ML and AI. So positions of responsibility is the main factor, that if you have made any project or you are a leader or uh, you are a member of it, just fill in this blank position of responsibility. After these trainings, if you have taken any of the trainings, I have taken the robotics, Yantra, IIT Bombay. So like this, and then is projects. If you have done any of the project like Yantra conducted by IIT Bombay, I have also done the ICDC 2019. So yes, you can see. So you all can see this as in this. Most of the things are related to us only. What are the skills? Okay, what are skills I am having? AutoCAD, C program, Python. Also, I am having the Autodesk. So if you have some more skills, Autodesk, Fusion 360. If you want to add something in, so you can simply add it. You can say advanced, intermediate. You can choose any of it. Intermediate like AutoCAD, okay. Work samples if you have done any work. Additional details like I have got a rank 1 in technical quiz, rank 2 in tattoo making competitions, etc. Like this, review writing in the Times of India. So you can write all about you in the resume, and then you have to proceed to application. As you proceed, then you get assessment questions. Why should you be hired for this role? Priyansh, please answer this question carefully. It will increase the chances of getting hired. So you have to mention it, all the details, that why you be hired for this role. Okay. And the second is, are you available for 6 months or not? You have to write by yourself only. So like these many, I'm also having some of the internships. I've applied for Paytm. I've applied, and when you have applied, and then you have got a reply from Windray Infotech. I've applied for it, and I got a response from him. Yes, I have been replied also yes for it. They see my resume. They also get to talk about the work what I have to do. So like this only, you have to make the resume interactable. Okay. So resume you have to fill the basic details, and Intenshala will convert it into your resume. No need to make your own, but you have to give the all the information to the Intenshala platform and website itself. Assessment questions, like you need to individually apply to internships by answering few assessment questions. One common questions that we see in every internship opening is why you should be hired for this internship. So before I explain to you how I write an effective answer to the assessment question, let's have a look how does internship resume look like. Is this is how internship resume looks like. Okay, so I've shown you in the screen the resume look like this only. Okay. So before I explain you furthermore things, some more skills and some more helpful things to you, I will like to explain the resume once more. This is how Internshala resume looks like. As the details students share while filling Internshala profile is turned into an error-free resume. So all students should not miss out on any important details like education details, skills, experiences, etc. Also make sure that you have keep updating your resume and profile on Internshala. So yeah, you have to keep changing it. Okay, if you are getting some skills, so you can add like I have added the skill. How to write an effective? Why should you be hired for this internship? I've already told you about this. Keep it personalized, keep it simple and structured. Read your answer. So I'm also going to give the secret tips to quickly get an internship. Understand that it's a competition. Okay? So the more internship you apply for, the higher are your chances to getting hired. This means that till you do not get a confirmation from the employer that you have been hired, you should continue applying for internships matching your criteria. Get noticed applying to internships that have been recently posted on Internshala will improve your chances of getting noticed by the employer. Since the internships would not have received too many applications, you should check the posted date in the internship section and apply to the ones that have recently been posted. Respond quickly. So your third step is respond quickly. You should not wait for the next day to revert when you hear back from the employers. You should immediately inform the employer that you have received the communication and you will act on it on time. Be smart. It's the smarter to start the journey by applying to internships that are easier to get like work from home internships, campus ambassador programs and NGO volunteering internships. Getting selected here would open doors for them to catch the big fish in the coming summer internship season. This is how your internship dashboard and all the things resume looks like. So I've shown you before only. So if you're having the any question answers, you can ask. So Prashant, you have written how to apply for mechanical students. So your mechanical internships are there as they are the AutoCAD. If you are already, I am having the Autodesk Fusion 360 and many more things in the skills. If you are having the same, then you can apply for it. You are having the SolidWorks. So firstly, you have to think and take the courses. If you are not having the skills, firstly take the skills and then apply for the internship or any job like graphic designs. This also comes in the mechanical engineering part, only manufacturing part, career counseling, teaching. Many internships are there. Okay, so when I written application status कहाँ मिलेगा? Okay, so an internship student can view application status for all the internships on a real-time basis. Okay, like applied, seen, in touch, hired. Applied means you have applied for an internship. Seen is means employee seen that, and touch if the employer giving you the reply for it is interested in you. Hired if you got hired in the company. Not selected if the applicant doesn't seem that you have got selected. Inactive, you are inactive means you didn't go through the reply to any of the institution. Okay, so you don't have to pay any fees for it, but you get a stipend. So this is the best part of it. Generally, employers are 2 to 3 to reply, but you have to wait and you will get some of the more. Many internships there are, guys. So guys, I think it's time to over. I think all of you have understand this. Yes, thank you, Priya, thank you, Priya, thank you, all of you. So yeah, just I'm ending this session. Or many more. So yeah, also I will share a link from. I will share a link where you will get to know. I will share you a link where you will get to know about your that attendance. So for attendance, I will share you the link on the WhatsApp also on your mobile contact numbers. Please write your contact numbers or WhatsApp numbers on the reference box. Thank you all guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.